Amber from Happy Family Fireworks.
This is Eve from Happy Family Fireworks. Summer, what is your favorite season?
Oh, my favorite season is autumn because I really love the fallen leaves and the temperature and the weather in autumn, and it's also the season of the harvest. The most important, this one festival, Thanksgiving. Do you know when is it, Eve?
First Thursday of November, right?
Yes, you're right. So do we do any special for this day?
Yes, look, here is some food for Thanksgiving. There have turkey, pizza, salad, and wine.
Yes, that's all our colleagues get together. We really have a good time together. We would like to take this chance to thank for our family and our colleagues, also our customers, cooperative factories, and friends from Facebook and YouTube. With your support and help, we are growing bigger and bigger. So we are really appreciated for everything.
Yes, so let's cheers for Thanksgiving.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
So if we are the factory of the fireworks, did you prepare anything for our friends and friends from Facebook and YouTube of Thanksgiving?
Of course, I think the important gift for the Thanksgiving is the fireworks. Look, here are 7 items for Thanksgiving.
So let's go and take a look, and we will shoot together with you.
Yeah, let's go.